It looks like she's okay. Hi, Mellow. You want to come out of your cage? Oh, I can't open it. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. What did you do all day? Yesterday, huh? You were by yourself all night, huh? Well, not by yourself. You and the parakeets. What happened, Mellow? Oh. Oh, she got out. Huh? You want to go with me, so you have to stay here. All night. Looks like you're okay, though. Come on, here. Step. Look at you. You miss being in that couch, huh? The spy cam was off for some reason, so I couldn't watch them while I was away. But look at you, Mellow. Straight to the couch, huh? You can tell she misses being out. Yeah, well, maybe next time, Mellow, when I invite you to go with me, you say yes. Oh, look at her. What are you gonna do? Go up there? Good girl. You're getting really smart, huh, Mellow? You've been out of your cage all day, Mellow. You're really making up for lost time, huh? That's okay, though. Yeah?